Welcome back to the video. As you might have seen, we are back in the kitchen and I'm just gonna show you guys how to do a really cheap meal today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a 10-minute quick meal which is absolutely delicious. So here's what we need for our meal today. Today I'm gonna be making a tortelloni pasta with my own kind of sauce mixed together. It's simple, quick, easy to make, and absolutely very cheap. So let's get into the video. So I have our pasta, tomato, the red pepper, and onions, as well as our cheese. So you bring the water in a pan to a boil and add your pasta to that. So in another pot, you bring the oil of your choosing, be it groundnut oil, sesame seed oil, vegetable oil, olive oil. Just put it on fire and make it hot, after which you're going to add your vegetables. So that's my onion, my tomato, my habanero pepper, and yeah, whatever thing you want to add. You can add bell pepper as well if you desire. It makes it a bit sweeter. So after about 5 minutes, you should check on your pasta. It should be ready to be drained by this time. You don't want to leave it for too long because it can disintegrate. So back to our sauce. You need to season your sauce very well. So you add the salt, add your stock cube of choice, not too much, just to taste, because the pasta is already a bit salty with the bacon and ham which has been embedded in it. So just salt it and give it some spice a little bit, and then the thyme, so for good smell. Make sure you mix together and let it fry for about 3 minutes. So you can add whatever sauce you want, chili sauce, sweet and chili sauce. So I love mine to be a little bit sweet, so I add that, and add as much or as little as you want. So after about 3 minutes of frying, add your pasta to the sauce and mix together. So just mix it gently for a little bit. You don't want to scatter all the fillings in the pasta, or else it just becomes a pile of mess. So mix gently and then leave it to simmer for about another 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, I added 1.5 slices of cheese to my pasta. This is a totally optional step. You might want to stay away if you are lactose intolerant. So I did leave the lid on for another minute for the cheese to melt before mixing together and serving. So as you can see, the cheese has melted a little bit, so all you need to do is mix together with a spoon. Mix thoroughly for about 30 seconds and it's ready to be served. You don't need any sort of meat again because it's been embedded in the pasta already. Now tell me that is not looking good. And thank you guys for watching this video. You can try this, it's really delicious. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye.